Hey, babe.
What?
Are you ready for this?
No.
I don't even remember what it looks like in here. Oh my God. Shit. Okay, I don't remember all that, but the girls even have fun.
So that's good, right?
Looks good to me. It's gonna be awesome.
You got a long name. Oh no, that's perfect.
There we go.
It looks good.
Perfect.
Yay!
Check that out. The tree of Utah. So windy and cold. This is the Saltflats.
It is. It's a schoolie.
Yeah. There's a bus out there.
And a truck and a trailer.
Why? Looks like there might be a couple of vehicles really a lot further out there too.
Yep.
Huh. Cool.
Sailboat. Oh.
Yeah. So we've been here before and we know better than to walk out there because it just gets so all over your shoes. I thought we could take a trip out here and show it to you guys. It's really a hazy day. So it's not going to be a great photo out, but here we go. So you can wash all the salt off your shoes. There's a truck out there with that schoolie, it looks like.
Yeah, with the trailer.
Yeah, I wonder what they're doing.
Camping.
Okay. Well, no. You're not allowed to camp out there.
Oh, they're just parking there.
Welcome to the Bonneville Salt Flats, in Utah's famed measured mile. Site of world land speed record runs.
622.407 miles an hour. Can't even imagine.
Huh. There is no speed limit on the Salt Flats.
Really?
Yep.
No, you can just go as fast as your vehicle will take you.
In fact, if you can get faster than that, that's good.
Well, there he goes. He's like, I can do this.
And this really isn't the part where they do the speed.
No, it's not. You have to go down.
Way down there.
Yeah, you have to go down
it starts
closer
way
to
down there
Wendover.
somewhere. It goes down this
And
way.
then you go down a road. And then it comes out. Cool beans.
Yeah, probably.
You have an all-wheel drive.
I do have an all-wheel drive.
Yeah, we're not gonna do it.
I ain't that brave.
All right, we're at the Salt Flats. Yes, we are. Too bad it's not a nice sunny day.
Yeah.
And what's really cool is when there's like an inch of water over all that, because it's just beautiful.
Inch of water and no wind, and it's like a reflecting pool.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, you can't tell where the mountains stop and the water starts.
Yep. And the mountains look like they're floating.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Look at that. There's a little SUV coming, or a minivan. I told Melissa, I said, you could drive out there if you wanted to. She's like, no, I don't want to do that to my vehicle. She could have.
I could have.
You could have.
I could have been brave.
So much for that. Here it goes. Into rain with us. Windover Will, welcome. He welcomes you to West Windover, Nevada. Hello, Will. So we met Jack Daniels today. Hey, Jack. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.